This is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools. This is an overview of how we are going to use Google Draw to create a map in our geometry class. So the first thing we want to do is we want to be in our Google Drive. We want to click New, More, Google Drawings. And here's where we're going to create our map that shows our geometric concepts. So one of the first things we may want to do is get some grid lines on here, because this is a blank canvas, and also some background drawings. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to hit this little search, and we're going to search the web. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a grid. So maybe I like this one. You may want to look around. This one's transparent, which means I can see through it. See how I can still see the checked background? So I'm going to put that on my canvas. And then I am also going to go get a scene so that way I can have the grid on top of a background. So maybe I want a baseball field or a baseball diamond like this. But notice now the grid is not over my baseball diamond. So I am going to right click and I'm going to order it and I'm going to send it to the back. Now my grid is over it. However, I can't move it, so I may move this off, move this here, move this back on. Okay, and ordering will help you when you are creating your midpoint, your distance, your length of line segments. And a way you can explain your concepts is once you are ready, you can put a text box over here and write your requirements in this box. If you want to put in some points on the lines, you can do circles like this, and we can set them to be black. Notice that's here. We can move those. And then we can also use lines to connect our points. You can change your line thickness. Click that arrow right here. If you need them thicker, you can move them around. There we go. And that is how you can use Google Draw for your project. Don't forget this text box is here. You might want to put a border on it. That way you can see it. There we go. Enjoy, have fun.